All right, so you open up Opensea and all of a sudden you see at the very top, it says Linagee Name Registrar, LNR. And you're like, what the hell is this? How did this come up? Where's this coming from? So Linagee or LNR, I found out about this through a guy named Leonidas.og. He keeps track of early NFTs. He's like a historian in NFTs. And so it looks like there was discovered the first NFTs and the first smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. If you look at this diagram, you can see like where all the historical projects are. And so like what used to be thought as one of the first ones was like CryptoPunks, right? And so CryptoPunks, the main CryptoPunks is here, but even before that was the V1 CryptoPunks. This was back in 2017. Now we're finding out that Linagee comes from, it's looking like August 8th, 2015. And so this would literally make this the most historical, earliest NFTs, the earliest smart contract, and it's a domain name registrar. And so what's been going on here has been pretty crazy. For those who haven't been paying attention or can't pay attention, this is what's going down. They created a way to trade them, to buy them, and so you could buy these domain names. Now the great thing about these domain names, obviously there's no utility yet like ENS, but there's no registration fees, there's no, it never expires. So once you buy it, you own it for life. And so that's a use case in itself. These are still very collectible. There's not like utility yet, but there's a big giant community that's forming around it, right? So here's the official Twitter, Linagee Domains, at Linagee Domains. In just under 8 hours, there's been 20,000 wrapped domain names, right? Now, if we go back to OpenSea, you're going to see the volume, 470 ETH, right? These are the wrapped versions because before they weren't wrapped, and so you couldn't sell them or see them on OpenSea. And so, like if you click here, you can see here's some of the domain names, right? 476 since we've been here. Another 6 Ethereum has been added to the total. There's 35,000 items. It is trending. This is going to be on everyone's radar pretty soon. So I just wanted to create a video and kind of highlight and let you guys know what the hell it is. It's a historical NFT. Historical NFTs have a limited number supply. Like there will never be more of these historical NFTs, right? Now this one you can continuously make more domains under this contract, but what I'm saying is historical NFTs will, in a lot of people's opinion, retain their value better than a lot of these new projects because there's historical context to this, and this being the first discovered NFT on the Ethereum blockchain, I think that there's something there to be discovered. And so if you want to know more, go ahead and follow Leonidas at Leonidas NFT. Also the official link, the official Twitter and the website link I'll share in the description below. I've already created how-to videos of how to purchase these, how to list them, how to sell them off of OpenSea, and even how to use the wrapper. Those videos will be linked below. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Go ahead and follow me also on Twitter at 0xCryptovert. And hopefully this video was just a quick refresher and understanding of what Linagee is. If you go to, last thing, if you go to the Linagee Name Registrar, you can see the official link. So you have the official website, you have the official OpenSea collection, and you have the Discord, right? Be sure to pay attention to the links that you're clicking on and only use the official sources because there's going to be a bunch of scammers trying to scam people. Also remember that these domain names are case sensitive, so there's a difference between all lowercase, all uppercase, one uppercase, and lowercase. So they're very, it's still not all figured out, but there's a really quick growing community there, and it is trending. There's a lot of activity here. You're gonna start seeing more and more about this. And I just wanted to be able to give you a video and kind of give you an outline of what this is and give you some helpful resources on how to get involved if you want to get involved. As always, do your own research, use a burner wallet, be safe, be careful, and have fun.